IRCTC was set up with the approval of the Cabinet as a public sector undertaking of the Ministry of Railways, and the vision behind setting up of the IRCTC was to professionalize and upgrade the customer interface area. The major aims and objectives of the IRCTC are to provide good food to the travelling public at affordable rates, also to develop rail-based tourism, as also provide a single window solution to the people.
IRCTC provides a range of tourism services for various segments of travellers in the country, right from a 500 rupee per day Bharat Darshan train to the $2,500 per day luxury train. We also provide all-inclusive tour packages across the country for religious as well as adventures, beaches, mountains, for various types of destinations. We have launched a Buddhist Circuit Special Train, the Mahaparinirvan Express, in 2007 with the objective of providing a safe, reliable and convenient travel for travellers coming on the Buddhist circuit. IRCTC owns a top-end luxury train which has been rated as one of the most luxurious trains in the world. We provide packages on the 5 hill railway sections in the country, which are the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, the Nilgiri Mountain Railway and the Kalka Shimla Railway. In addition to that, the other 2 sections are the Kangra Valley Railway and the Nerul Mathiran Railway. IRCTC launched online booking services for Indian Railways in August 2002. This service has grown from 27 tickets on the first day to more than 3.5 lakh tickets per day today, which makes us one of the biggest e-commerce sites in Asia Pacific.
Corporation has taken a decision to diversify the catering department from railway catering into non-railway catering units. We have set up units in ministries, institutions and also in hospitals. We have set up roughly around 40 units till now with a turnover of about 20 crores. We are also diversifying into areas of budget hotels, hospitality and facility management. We have a mandate to provide catering on platforms in view of food plazas, food courts and fast food units and quick service food kiosks. We have set up about 94 such units till now. The decision was taken by the Ministry of Railways in mandating IRCTC to manufacture rail neer. The existing rail neer plants are at Patna, Danapur, Delhi, Nangloi and Chennai, Palur. As far as the technology and support is concerned, we have got the best in the country.
In the last 5 years, our cumulative annual growth rate (CAGR) in turnover is over 20%. On profitability, it is above 35%, and our return on investment is 67%.
कौन कहता है कि आसमां में सुराख हो नहीं सकता, एक पत्थर तो ज़रा तबीयत से उछालो यारो। आई एम श्योर इट विल ग्रो फ्रॉम स्ट्रेंथ टू स्ट्रेंथ।